My friend was trying to add a picture in front of each record, but on resizing cell, it doesn't adjust. So, I suggested him to do this way. Go to Insert. Click on Picture. Select Place in Cell. Here, we will choose this device. Select Picture and click on Insert. This will add picture inside the cell. On resizing the cell, the picture will also resize. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. My friend was converting rows data to column like this. I suggested him to do this way. Select the rows of data. Press Ctrl+C to copy. Press Ctrl+Alt+V for paste special. Choose Transpose. Click OK. Repeat the same for the rest. If you want to learn how to convert multiple rows to columns using shortcut key or in just one click, message me, yes. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. How to add your company logo to the background of the sheet. Go to Page Layout. Click on Background. You can choose Picture from OneDrive or Bing Image Search. Choose Browse to select your local file. If the text you type is not visible, change the font color. Now, to remove the background, again go to Page Layout. Click on Delete Background. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. My friend was using Format Painter each time to apply like this. I suggested him to do this way. Double-click on Format Painter. Now, just click the cells and it will apply the formatting for multiple cells. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. My friend was printing the sheet but was not getting the heading printed on next page. So, I suggested him to do this way. Go to Page Layout. Click on Print Titles. Here, in front of rows to repeat at top, select the row to repeat. Here I am selecting my heading. Now, press Ctrl+P for Print Preview. Click on Next Page. Now, heading is showing on next page also. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. My friend is not a pro in Excel and was searching for text to column command in every tab. I suggested him to do this way. Click here on Search and type text to column. It will show the result. Click here. A dialog box will open. Set delimited and click OK, and it is done. Here, I want to fill number series down. Type here Fill Series. Click OK, and it is done. Type Auto Sum here to get the total. Type Sort Ascending to arrange A to Z. Write down Sort Descending for Z to A. Type Remove Duplicate to delete repeated content. This way you can type the command here in Search if you don't remember where the command is located. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. Most people faces this issue while printing sheet, part of data get printed on next page. To solve this, go to Page Layout. Click on Width and change from Automatic to One Page. Press Ctrl+P. See the magic, the entire data is shown in one page. Now the content will be printed on one page. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. Stop copying the sheet data along formatting to make year-wise sheet like this. Instead do this way. Select the entire data, hold down Control button and select multiple sheets where you want to copy. Under Home tab, click on Fill. Now, select across worksheets. Here we see three options: All, Contents, Formats. If we choose Contents, it will only copy content without formatting. If we choose Formats, it will only copy format without content. But we will choose All to copy content with formatting. Later we can change the year. Now, you can see, It copies the content along formatting easily. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. How to delete empty rows in an Excel worksheet using VBA code. Go to Developer tab, click on Visual Basic. Right-click on Modules, select Insert and choose Module. Write this code here. Go back to Excel sheet, select the entire range of data. Click on Macro, select your macro and click Run. See the magic? All empty rows are deleted automatically. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. Suppose you received a file from outside and you want to see where all the formulas is used. You want to display formulas instead of values. So, simple press Ctrl+tilde. This will display all formulas wherever used. Again, if you want to hide the formulas, press Ctrl+tilde again. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. How to find the location of the Excel file you are working with. To know the path of the file, simply use this function. Write down =cell, file name. It will show the entire path of the file where it is stored along the current sheet name. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes.
Don't type A to Z alphabets in Excel manually. Instead, use this functions. Now drag down the bottom right corner of the selection and it is done. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. Stop writing serial numbers manually or by dragging it down. Instead, do this way. Write down these functions. Copy it down. Now, start typing your data and it will generate serial number automatically. If the row is empty, it will not generate serial number. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. Don't copy and paste rows to column this way. Instead, use this function, wrapRows. Select range of data, type 2. See the magic? It automatically convert rows to columns of entire data range. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. My boss was doing monthly sales total like this. If we have multiple tables and want to do total of all tables, doing it manually will be time consuming. So, do this way. Hold down Control key and click all cells where you need total. Now, press Alt plus equals, and we got total sales of tables at a time. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. Don't copy rows data to columns like this. Instead, do this way. Select the entire raw data range, press Ctrl+G, click on Special, choose Constants and below uncheck all except text. Click OK. Press Ctrl+C to copy and paste it under Name column. Again, repeat the same procedure, but this time uncheck all except numbers. Click OK. Press Ctrl+C to copy and paste it under Phone column. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. How to insert blank rows after every data entry in Excel. So, go to column next to your data and type 1 and 2. Select it and double-click the bottom right corner of selection and it will fill down. Copy entire number series and paste it down. Select all data along numbers column. Press Ctrl+Shift+L for filter. Now, click here on number filter and choose sort smallest to largest. We got blank rows after every data entry. You can now delete the numbers. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes.
My friend's boss asked to type days in working days column. My friend double-clicked the cell and got confused as he saw formula written. I said him not to worry. First, select the entire working days column. Press Ctrl+1, go to Custom, delete General and type 0 space quotes days quotes again. Press Enter. This way he got the days written in working days. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. I went for an interview, and he asked me to calculate the working days of each month in 5 seconds. So, I started typing this. Function, network days. Copy it down. This way I got the working days easily. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. I went for an interview, and he asked me to insert few rows in between the data within a second. So, without wasting time, I first went to a cell where I want to insert rows. Press Shift plus spacebar. Brought the mouse pointer near the selection. Hold down Shift key, bring the mouse pointer here and dragged it down. This way I passed the interview. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. I went for an interview, and he asked me to hide any 2 columns and rows and unhide back without using mouse. So, I did this way. Press Ctrl plus spacebar, press Shift, press right arrow, now columns are selected. Press Ctrl plus 0 to hide columns. Now press Shift plus spacebar, hold down Shift and press arrow to select rows. Press Ctrl plus 9 to hide rows. Now, how to unhide rows and columns. Select all pressing Ctrl plus A, press Ctrl plus Shift plus 9 to unhide rows. Press Alt plus H plus O plus U plus L to unhide columns. This way, I passed the interview. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. Today I did a prank with my friend. I gave him Excel file and asked to do entry of employee name and salary. But whenever he type anything in name, he gets full written instead. When he enters salary, he get full again written over there. So, how I did this? For this I selected the range of cells. Pressed Ctrl plus 1, go to Custom and type 3 times semicolon, start quotes, type full, close quotes. Now, select salary range, press Ctrl plus 1, go to Custom and type quotes, full again, quotes again. Now, when you do try to write name it will give full, and when you enter salary it shows full again. But if you enter text here it will give text. If you want to get rid of this, select all. Click here and select General. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. Today, I am going to show you how to translate your data in Hindi in Excel. Select entire data list. Press Alt plus or plus L. You can change to any language by clicking here. Now, click on Swap, as you won't be able to copy from below window. Now, copy and paste it here, and it is done. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. How to calculate the profit and loss of 2 years' sales for every month. Here is the solution. Write down this formula. Now, click on %sign here, and it is done. Copy down the formula. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. My boss gave me a sale data file and told me whenever he typed the name of the employee, he should get total sales record of that employee. So, I started using XLOOKUP function, like this. This way, whenever I type the name of employee, I get total sales record of that employee. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. Third method to calculate sales percentage in Excel is this. First, delete the total given below. Now, select the entire range of sales entry. Click on Quick Analysis, choose Totals, select % total, and it is done. Out of 3 methods, which method did you find easiest and best for you? Let us know in the comments below. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. Second method to calculate sales percentage in Excel is this. Write down this formula. Press F4 to lock cell. Double-click the bottom right corner of the cell to copy down. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. Today I am going to show 3 methods of calculating percentage in Excel in 3 videos. This is the first method. Write down this formula. Press F2 to edit, and now press F4 to lock cell. Under Home tab, click Percent Style. Now, click on Increase Decimal as per your need. Double-click the bottom right corner of the cell to copy down. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes.
My friend was given a task to enter the temperature with degree sign in 2 minutes, so he wrote 29.19, pressed space, then wrote small o, then capital C. Now, pressed F2, selected O, clicked font setting and checked superscript. I suggested him to do this way: press equal, select temperature, type ampersand, quotation, space, quotation, ampersand, char, bracket, 176, bracket, ampersand, quotation, C, quotation. Now, copy down the formula and it is done. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. If you went for an interview and they asked to select A1 to D1, all total 10,000 cells and give them border, if you are doing it manually it will take many hours to do the same. To save time, you can go to name box and type D10000, hold down shift and press enter. This will select A1 to D1, 10,000 cells. Simply click on border and border will apply. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. Don't enter data like this if you have many column fields to do entry. Instead do this way: press Alt plus D plus O, and it will open a mini-form window. You can start typing the entry and press Tab to go to next field and press Enter at last for new entry. This way you can do fast data entry, without using mouse. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes.
My friend was asked to do the sum of these unit values. So, he smartly pressed Alt plus equals, but no range was showing. So, he manually entered some function, but got 0 total. I suggested him to do this way. Select all unit values and delete it. Press Ctrl plus 1, type kg near General, and press OK. Now, when you type any value it will show number followed by kg. Press Alt plus equals, and it will do the sum. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. My boss asked me to extract day name, month name, and year out of these date list. So, I started doing this way. First selected all range. Pressed Ctrl plus R to copy the dates to right. Now, go to day column and select entire range. Press Ctrl plus 1, go to custom and enter 4 times D, press OK. Go to month column, select entire range. Press Ctrl plus 1, go to custom and enter 4 times M, press OK. Go to year column, select entire range. Press Ctrl plus 1, go to custom and enter 4 times Y, press OK. Like this I finished the job. Like and follow for daily tips on Shalu Verma classes. Boss asked me and my friend to insert minus sign after every 4 digit. So, I started doing it manually, which took more time and I got failed. But my friend used the trick. He selected all the employee IDs, pressed Ctrl plus 1, clicked Custom, and started typing 4 times 0, minus sign, 4 times 0, minus sign, and again 4 times 0, pressed Enter. Now, minus sign is inserted after every 4 digit, and he passed and also got promotion. If you like the trick, like video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. Me and my friend were given an assignment by our boss. He asked us to enter all students' marks and calculate the result within a minute. My friend started doing manually, which took more time and he got failed. But I selected all the cells and wrote this formula, ran between. Pressed Ctrl plus D, then Ctrl plus R. Pressed Ctrl plus C to copy. Right-clicked here and converted to values. Now, I pressed Alt plus equals, then double-clicked here to copy it down. This way I got all students' mark in total and I got passed and got promotion. If you like my trick, hit like and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. My friend was given a file of 51 countries' name and was asked to create folders for these countries followed by 2024 year. So, my friend started doing manually, like this, which is time-consuming. I suggested him to do this way. Go to next column and type this formula. Select entire range of country names followed by 2024 and press Ctrl+C to copy. Go to B2 and press Alt+E+S. Choose values. Select entire range of country. Go to Insert tab, click Pivot Table, and choose from Table/Range. Select New Workbook and click OK. Drag this country to Filter. Click on Options and choose Show Report Filter Pages. Here click OK. Wait for a while and see it created sheets by the names of country given. If you found it helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. Stop entering the capital city names manually. Instead, do this way. Go to Data tab. Select the country names. Now, under Data tab, select Geography. New button will appear here. Just click on it. From here, select capital/major city. Now see the magic. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. How to apply outline borders to data. Simply select All and press Ctrl+Shift+ampersand. Outline border is applied. To remove the border, select your data again and press Ctrl+Shift+_. Now, the outline borders are removed. Like and follow for daily tips on Shalu Verma classes. How to insert spinner button in Excel. Go to Developer tab, click Insert, and choose Spin button. The mouse pointer changed. Draw the spin button here. Right-click the spinner and choose Format Control. Here I am keeping current value, minimum value, and maximum value as it is, but we'll change the incremental value to 1. Select the cell link. Here I have selected D3. Click OK. Now, when we click, the spinner value changes. Repeat the process for each spinner button. You can use the spinner button to increase or decrease the values. If you want me to create a video on how to create multiple spinners and link them all in a second, please message me. Like and follow for daily tips on Shalu Verma classes. My friend was creating folders like this. So, I suggested him to do this way. Press Ctrl+E. Copy entire range of directory. Open Notepad and paste it here. Click File, choose Save As. Write down the file names followed by extension .bat. Now, go to directory where you saved your .bat file. Double-click the file and see the magic. It created the folders so easily. Like and follow for daily tips on Shalu Verma classes. My friend want to filter the data whose price is less than 100. So, he started doing like this by using Filter under Home tab. I suggested him to use this shortcut method. Go to File tab, select Options, choose Quick Access Toolbar. Here we have to search for Auto Filter, which is not visible here, because it is showing popular commands. For this, click here and select All Commands. Now search for Auto Filter here and click Add. Now our auto filter is added at 8th position. Click OK. Go to cell where less than 100 is written and press Alt+8. See the magic? It shows only price less than 100. You can use this to filter product names also, like this. Like and follow for daily tips on Shalu Verma classes. How to stop leading zeros from disappearing. Go to File, then Options. Click on Data. Now check this option off. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes for daily tips.
Don't find and go to your sheet like this. Instead you can do this way. Press Ctrl plus page down to go in descending order. Press Ctrl plus page up to go in ascending order. Other way to go to particular sheet. Press right click here on any of these arrows. A mini window will pop up. Select the desired sheet and click OK. Press Ctrl plus right arrow to show few sheets from last. Also you can press Ctrl plus left arrow to show few sheet from start. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes. Don't adjust the columns like this. Instead select all headers. Go to text orientation under Home tab. Select angle counterclockwise. Press Ctrl plus A to select all. Now press Alt plus HOI to autofit. Like the video and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes.